Just wanted to make a quick preface to this video. So this isn't regularly scheduled content. This is a long overdue video that I've just had sitting in the vault before I made my last video, and after this one we'll be getting back to regularly scheduled content. So I hope you guys enjoy. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nathan Salpong, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Today we are going to do a cooking video because I'm going to college in like 4 days, and I'm going to be off campus and I don't know how to cook. Before we get started, there are kind of some things that we need to grab from the grocery. We got to go to the grocery store to pick those things up, so let's go. Just gonna do the best I get to filming while driving. So, on our way to the local Giant. Basically, the whole idea of this, in college I want to be getting into meal prepping. In order to do that, I kind of needed to know how to cook, right? And I've been very blessed to have a wonderful mother who always cooks for me, up to the point where I've never had to know how to cook myself. Right now, I guess what's a better time to learn than freaking 4 days before I have to do it on my own for the next semester. Alright, welcome to our local Giant. We're going to be looking for some potatoes in here and some lemons, so wish me luck. Alright, we've made our way to the lemons. We only need 2 of them, but there's a deal for 3 for $2, so I might just grab 3. Can't really tell which ones are good lemons, but I mean, I guess I'll just grab a couple. That didn't feel like a good lemon. Alright, here we go. I think I found them. So, organic gold or medley potatoes. I think I'm gonna go for the gold ones. Made it out of Giant. Here's the haul. Got some lemons and potatoes. And of course we paid. And now we head home and hopefully start cooking this. The recipe that I have here, sent to me by my mom. We have garlic butter chicken tenders here, if you can see that. This is what it supposedly is going to look like. We'll see how well we can do with that. So we need some chicken tenders. Look at that. Chicken tenders right here. Some smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, minced. I guess this will be minced later. Some bottled Italian seasoning. Salt, half a tablespoon of lemon juice. We got, picked up the lemons right here. 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, and also lemon wedges, also the lemons here. And then these potatoes here, I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to make these for like a side. I'm gonna eat it with the chicken. I will preheat the oven right now for the potatoes. Just preheat this guy to 420. Once that heats up, we'll get going. But I guess first we're gonna have to prep some of this stuff. Alright, so here goes nothing. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this stuff looks like completely foreign to me. If I'm doing something wrong, don't roast me too bad in the comments. Some constructive criticism, I will take some of that. The tendon. They said something about trimming the tendon off. I don't know if I got the tendon out of any of these. Is this tendon? This looks fine to me. I'd eat this. Let's see what else we have to do. Oh wait, we need to do the potatoes first. I think I'm gonna need a pan, right? One of these guys, and then we'll get some aluminum foil. I was told we just chop some potatoes in half, some of these guys, and then put some like salt, pepper, and oil on it. Do I have to wash these things? You done? Go. Some salt to this guy. Open her up and to the oven she goes. There's no cast iron skillet, so this is gonna have to do instead. Alright. 3 tablespoons of butter are in. 2 minutes, I'll cook the other side. What do I flip it with? Probably not a spatula, so probably a tong's the best idea. Alright, now I'll be measuring my teaspoons of, oh, it's 807. So now I have to flip these guys. Oh, actually this is looking not too bad. Look at that. Okay. Looks like cooked chicken to me. Push them to the side, it says. Push them to the side, and then add some more butter. Another tablespoon of butter going in on the middle. Italian seasoning on top of the chicken tenders. I think I'm low-key just gonna wing it on this one. Okay. Cutting some garlic now. I don't even know how do you cut a garlic? What is 3 to 4 cloves? Is this it? Is this the clove? That's what I'm looking for here? What the heck is this? Do I just throw this in? Like, no. With the skin and all? Oh no, this is a tragedy. Alright, clove. Oh god, this is bad. Time is ticking away from me. I didn't prepare this enough. These are my cloves. Throwing it in as well. There it goes, cloves in. Here's some salt. There's all the lemon juice. Chard on both sides. We'll keep flipping these guys. Add the chopped parsley. Alright. I don't know if that means add chopped parsley on the chicken or on in the pan. Anyways, stir to combine well. Wait, oh, I just screwed up the thing. Ah, I didn't put the paprika on first. Alright, well, no better time than now. And then it says turn the heat off immediately. Alright, all this looks cooked to me, right? What do you guys think? I'm gonna shut her off and start. It says serve immediately. Let's start setting up a plate to eat. Got my chicken here. This one's the one that I said looks the best. I think we're in business, so take this over to the table. Time to eat. Let's see, while we're waiting for our potatoes, we'll give this a little taste test. If you guys can see, it's not pink on the inside. Great sign that I cooked it. So far, seems like it's safe for consumption. Yep, perfect. I did a great job. This chicken tastes alright. Tastes like cooked chicken to me. Granted, I don't have the best taste buds, so if you're looking for someone to review all the flavor and whatnot, I'm definitely not your guy. You should probably look elsewhere, but this is definitely something that took, I forget what time we started cooking, but maybe like 20 minutes. Granted, I did forget to add the paprika beforehand. That might have done a little bit of harm to this taste. There's a lot going on at once, but that's also because I have never cooked before, so kind of expected. Yeah, this was like low-key stressful. Also, I'll probably get better with time, but like just so many moving parts. Maybe if I took some time to like prep beforehand, then it would have been a little bit smoother of a process. Also, filming during this was definitely probably not my best idea. Don't have somebody else to like get all the angles for me, so this is probably like a lot of static shots in this video. It was hard to like divide my attention between like trying to get like, oh yep, I need to get this shot, and also between like actually cooking the food, you know? Overall, the experience, I'd rate it like 7.5 out of 10. Like, it was pretty average of an experience. Gonna have to be doing it like every day now from soon. Oh, there's our potatoes. Been 20 minutes. I don't know how to gauge the readiness of these potatoes, but we're just gonna take them out. Here we go, got our potatoes ready to be served. All right, welcome back. Let's try out a potato here. Just got out of the oven, very hot. Still low-key seems raw. Let's try a different one. All right, the potatoes are a little bit hard. Not like break my tooth hard, but they're a little bit hard. Probably could have left them in there for a little bit longer, maybe like 25 minutes, I don't know, something like that. Maybe just a little longer, because like the fork can go through it, but it's not like, I like soft potatoes like these. Still not bad. I'm just gonna finish up eating my dinner that I got to create. All right, after texting my mom a little bit, I am here to report that I also forgot to add, along with the paprika at the start, mixing the chicken and the cayenne, something like that. And after I finish my dinner, I'm also here to report that we have a lot of potatoes left. Good bit for tomorrow. I mean, wasn't perfect. The chicken, I ate it all. Even if it was bad, I would have eaten it all. If you know me, I don't like to waste food, so I would have eaten it regardless. In the wise words of my mom, she said, it's trial and error, so maybe next time we'll do a little bit better and remember to coat the chicken first. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I don't want to spoil anything, but hopefully we got some content coming for you soon. See you next time.